This is your midweek AI update. It's been reported that AI darlings such as Perplexity and Anthropic have raised money at a price that is 83 times their projected sales value. In December, Anthropic raised $750 million at a valuation of more than $18 billion. This is despite the fact that Anthropic's gross margin is significantly lower than most cloud software companies, hovering at 50 to 55%, as opposed to the traditional 77%. Most of the difference is due to the cost of customer service and servers to power their AI. Sam Altman announced efforts to raise billions of dollars to set up a network of factories to manufacture semiconductors. As we previously reported, it is unclear whether this venture is directly tied to OpenAI. However, it is speculated that the ChatGPT founder will be its biggest client. Rumors indicate that Altman has already developed strategic partnerships in both finance and manufacturing. Astera Labs is planning to IPO in the next few months, after tapping Morgan Stanley and JP Morgan as underwriters late last year. With a current valuation of just over $3 billion, they are one of the few slated tech company IPOs for the upcoming year. While revenue numbers for private companies are often kept under wraps, Forbes estimates that the company pulled in $100 million in revenue in 2022. And finally, Meta plans to purchase 350,000 NVidia H100 GPUs by the end of the year, an enterprise value of $7 billion. In total, Meta will have the compute power equivalent to 600,000 H100s to help it develop next-generation AI. However, Meta is not alone. Research suggests that other tech giants, including Microsoft, Google, and Amazon, made similar purchases as the AI race heats up.